Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com and on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, has taken legal action against two companies that were reportedly operating an illegal waste disposal site in Hill Run, St. Catherine.
The companies were allegedly handling hazardous materials in the largely farming community without the necessary permits.
Now, as Jamaica Maitland reports, the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation also has concerns about an existing company there.
Residents of Hill Run in St. Catherine are breathing a sigh of relief after an investigation into reports that dead animals were reportedly found on the road and in bushes close to their homes led to charges being brought against two companies.
Optimum Clean Solution Limited and Faithful Friends Pets Crematorium were operating without a required environmental permit. And as such, the operators were served with enforcement notices which mandated them to cease the activity and remove the hazardous waste. The operation are currently being prosecuted before the courts of Jamaica.
During a recent meeting of the St. Catherine Public Health and Sanitation Committee, it was revealed by way of a letter that a third company, SEAC Outsourcing Company, is the only one that was granted a permit from the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA.
So the animal parts is the nature of the medical waste?
Through you, the illegal locations, because the applicant that had received the requisite permits, his parameters were fenced properly, and all respective due diligence that should have been done in the area to secure the medical waste were done and put in place.
But according to the municipal corporation, it has not granted approval for SEAC Outsourcing Company operations either.
The NEPA's permit is the first step, which is what is called or deemed a recommendation. So entities on a whole make recommendation to the municipal corporation. The municipal corporation makes what is called or gives what is called an approval. We have not yet given an approval as yet.
Director of Planning Chad Allen says there were some delays because of a series of resubmissions to NEPA. When TVJ News visited Hill Run last year, residents were wearing masks because of the air quality. The farmers were also worried.
The trench is 2 feet below elevation, so every farm will get flooded out. So all the contamination from the facility will eventually end in our fish pond.
Sometimes in the mornings when we are leaving out for work, the little corridor between where Hasbro is now operating is completely shrouded in the smoke from the plant. Now, a number of persons are now complaining about health issues connected to that same emission. So for that reason, we are very concerned and we really want them to relocate from here.
And as the corporation awaits the green light from NEPA, it too will assess the impact that the medical disposable site poses in Hill Run before granting approval. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.